James Smalls here, the one and only rockstar farmer with the Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC located here in Walterboro, South Carolina. Today we're doing a video on how to take the same bacon right here, put it in the air fryer and have you some good breakfast quick like. Because I know this day and age, everybody on the go, everybody got something to do, everybody, you ain't got time to be standing there in front of the frying pan, pouring in grease, frying up your bacon. This is something you can do while you're on the go. You can take a shower, put this bacon in the air fryer and cook it. The best part about this bacon right here is, as you can see how thick cut this bacon right here. Look, this bacon is so nice and thick cut. And got a nice little fat content on it and everything. It's got a nice marbling inside of there. The best part about it, it says Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC, uncured smoked slab bacon. This bacon right here came from right here out the backyard and it's packaged to sell to the public, as well as we accept EBT, we accept cash and credit cards. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get into this video and show y'all how to take this bacon right here and put it in this air fryer and have you some nice breakfast real quick. So first thing you gotta have is a nice sharp knife. Cut that pack open. Get your air fryer out here. The temp that I usually use is about 375 for about 10 and 15, let's put it on for 7 minutes to see how it starts. But as you can see right here, look at this, look at how this bacon looks. This bacon is nice and fatty and it's got a nice thickness to it. I know like going to the grocery store sometimes they want to charge me extra for thick cut bacon, which is ridiculous, You got, people don't want no little paper sheet of bacon. I like bacon, so give me some bacon. Look at that right there, all fatty and marbly, and let's just see how it's gonna come out. So you can get it uncured or you can get it cured. However, this one here is an uncured bacon. So we're gonna go with it like that. Right now I'm putting in about, let's see how many fits in this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 slices of bacon loaded right here onto the tray in the air fryer. Put it in. Hit the air fry button. 375. The time. 7 minutes. Start. And I'll be back with y'all shortly just to show y'all how it looks in between. So it's been on for about 2 minutes right now, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on what it looks like at 2 minutes. So you may have to flip it over in a few minutes, but like we're gonna just let it ride. I got it on for 7 minutes. If you need to put it on for 9 minutes, you just add a little bit more time. That's all it is. So at 5 minutes, it's cooking nicely. It's looking pretty, and it's gonna taste good. That's that Seekret Garden Family Farm LLC uncured smoked slab bacon. We're gonna be cooking this whole pack right here, as well as, if anybody's interested, leave me a message in the comments because we have this meat available for everybody. So I'm back at it. It's been about 5 minutes, and this is how your bacon looks. So what I'm gonna do is go through and flip them. And the timing, people like their bacon crispy, some people like their bacon kind of limp. Me personally, I like it in between. So therefore, it depends on how you like your bacon, on the crispiness and the texture to where you're gonna have it stop at. But like I was saying, this bacon right here, I have an extra special connection to it because it was born here at the house. I was able to get it from right there out the backyard and be able to sit here and eat breakfast this morning. So this is what it looks like when it's switching, and you can see it's still kind of flexible, pliable. However, I like mine to be a little bit more crispy. So we're gonna get that a little bit more crispy and get back to you. This is how I like my bacon. I like it with a nice little bit of You know what I mean? A little bit of flexibility to it. It's got some nice color. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna sample a piece, and I'm gonna throw the rest of them in there so we can fry them on up. You know? But like, let's just go ahead and get a sample for you guys. Got some good bacon. Now, I'm just saying that this bacon tastes good, real good. I'm gonna give me a plate, take these ones out, and get these ones going. I'm putting our second round of bacon in. This is how the first round came out. So another 7 minutes. We got a whole pack of bacon cooked. So yeah, like, you know, we couldn't even wait to go ahead and get started on this bacon. So we got us some pancakes, some bacon, and a great relationship. Me and my son, we sitting here eating breakfast together, you know. This is the best part of these videos, you know what I mean? I raise pigs, yeah, but I also I love to eat. And I love what I eat, and so like this bacon right here, it came from right off the farm. I love my son. We get to sit here and have Sunday morning breakfast together and enjoy our time. So that's what it's about. Air fried bacon. It's not hard to cook. It's on the go. You can do it quick. And Seekret Garden Family Farm, we have all different types of pork. So just leave a comment, message me or whatever, and like and subscribe. Here we go. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. Thank y'all for watching.